We know running a business can be challenging. That's why we want to make sure taking payments is easy by offering flexible, innovative, and security-focused payment services at an affordable cost. We make it easy for you to accept all forms of payments anytime and anywhere, giving you and your customers more flexibility. Whether you are looking to grow your business online, differentiate your business through a better payment experience, or add new locations, we offer payment solutions to support you. So, how do we do that? First, we offer custom solutions to fit your payment acceptance needs, no matter the business type or size. Whether you own a restaurant, retail shop, are a healthcare provider, or run a service-based business, there are products to help you to run your business. Our solutions can support a local food truck or a large multi-franchise restaurant, a retail kiosk or a large chain store, a single practice medical office, or a hospital. Second, we offer cutting-edge product suites featuring innovative payment technology that includes all-in-one wireless smart terminals, tablet-based point-of-sale solutions, mobile payment solutions, and flexible e-commerce platforms. That means you can accept payments easily at a brick-and-mortar storefront, an online business, or on the go. And our payment processing systems include business management tools that allow you to manage transactions, view analytics, track inventory, and more from your computer, tablet, or smartphone, providing valuable insights anytime, anywhere, right at your fingertips. Don't forget security. Our recommended multi-layer security solutions will help you protect your customers' payment data with EMV, encryption, and tokenization, safeguarding your business and mitigating unnecessary risk. And you can have peace of mind knowing your payments have additional PCI DSS compliance support and data breach financial assistance, just in case you need it. When you send your deposits to the bank, you can get funding as fast as same day or next business day, giving you faster access to cash. We don't require a long-term commitment either, which means no cancellation fees. And we're always here to help. Our dedicated customer service representatives are available 24/7 by phone, email, or chat. So what are you waiting for? Are you set up to accept electronic payments, or are you interested in better payment solutions that optimize cash flow? Our payments professional will work with you to build a custom payment solution to fit your business needs. Contact our payments professional today.